Flash floods have struck parts of Saudi Arabia, triggered by heavy rainfall that has been recorded across the kingdom since last week. This unexpected event has garnered global attention, particularly due to its occurrence in Mecca, the holiest city in Islam. The flash floods have not only rattled the spiritual hearts of believers but have also reverberated across the entire globe, prompting questions about the nature of this calamity. Mecca, a city that millions of people visit for spiritual journeys, goes beyond the challenges faced by a typical city. It is a sacred place where people seek comfort and connection, and the impact of the floods extends beyond Mecca's borders, affecting the entire nation of Saudi Arabia. The aftermath of the floods has left everyone puzzled and searching for answers. Images of flooded streets and sacred sites grappling with the waters have circulated. The occurrence of such floods in Saudi Arabia challenges the stereotypical perception of the country as a vast, dry desert under the scorching sun. Recent events have revealed a different reality, as Mother Nature unleashed her fury, transforming the arid landscape into a spectacle of chaos. The torrential rain has submerged streets that were once coated in sand, defying expectations and reshaping Saudi Arabia's climatic identity. The visuals and videos depicting the deluge in regions that rarely witnessed raindrops serve as undeniable proof of this climatic transformation. The floods in Saudi Arabia are not just some strange weather phenomenon. They represent a significant shift in the country's climate narrative. The contrast between the previous arid conditions and the current deluge captured in the footage challenges long-held perceptions. It is as if Mother Nature has hit the reset button on Saudi Arabia's climate story, forcing us to question our understanding of the country's climatic characteristics. This ongoing saga in Saudi Arabia is more than a weather anomaly. It is a profound transformation that can be witnessed in the saturated landscapes and the struggle against floods. The country finds itself navigating the capricious dance between drought and deluge orchestrated by Mother Nature. This paradoxical shift challenges preconceived notions and calls for a reevaluation of our understanding of Saudi Arabia as a nation caught between extremes. The heavy rainfall and destructive storms signify a climatic paradox that demands our attention. The unprecedented downpours, breaking records and causing devastation, have far-reaching consequences, affecting homes, infrastructure, and crops. As we witness the battle against nature's tantrums, we are compelled to question what this climatic paradox signifies for the future of Saudi Arabia and how it reshapes the narrative of the nation. In trying to understand the storms and their impact, we delve into the heart of the matter. The heavy rainfall acts as the maestro orchestrating the destructive storms wreaking havoc in Saudi Arabia. These are not ordinary rain showers. They are downpours that have shattered records and left a trail of devastation in their wake. The consequences extend beyond wet streets. They affect homes, infrastructure, and agricultural lands, disrupting the lives of the people. The profound impact of the storms on the affected areas cannot be understated. Homes are destroyed, infrastructure is damaged, and crops are washed away, leading to significant economic and social repercussions. People are displaced, and the struggle to rebuild and recover is daunting. The storms have exposed the vulnerability of the region to extreme weather events and highlight the urgent. As we navigate through this segment, we are confronted with the transformation captured in the images and videos. The once dry desert has become a canvas for nature's tempest, challenging long-held stereotypes and inviting us to reassess our understanding of Saudi Arabia's climate. Mother Nature's fury has taken on the role of an unexpected protagonist, rewriting the script of a nation. It compels us to question what lies beneath the surface of this climatic paradox and prompts us to seek a deeper understanding of the forces at play. In conclusion, the flash floods in Saudi Arabia, particularly in Mecca, have captivated the world's attention. The unexpected occurrence challenges preconceived notions of the country's climate and raises questions about the underlying forces driving such extreme weather events. The profound impact on the affected areas necessitates a comprehensive understanding of the storms and their consequences. It is a reminder of the importance of addressing climate change and building resilience to mitigate the devastating effects of future natural disasters. In certain heart-wrenching scenarios, lives have tragically been lost, underscoring the severity of these climatic upheavals. These occurrences are not random happenings, but the outcome of complex atmospheric dynamics that require a deeper understanding. The evidence goes beyond what we witness after the events, such as flooded streets and infrastructure in disarray. It extends to concrete scientific data and measurements that unequivocally support the claim. This is not a matter of haphazard chaos. Rather, it delves into the intricacies of how the atmosphere behaves. It is about scrutinizing the numbers, measurements, and scientific data that provide a comprehensive picture of the climatic shifts at play. In this journey into the scientific realm, we explore the reasons behind this unexpected surge in severe weather, examining the records that reveal rainfall measurements going off the charts. These numbers defy what we typically expect in the region, indicating a shift in weather patterns and a deviation from what we thought we knew about Saudi Arabia's climate. The evidence is clear in the data points that meteorologists and climate scientists have been tracking. Records are being broken, patterns are changing, and nature is throwing us a curveball. When we talk about heavy rainfall, we are not merely describing a wet day. We are referring to concrete data that illustrates a significant departure from the norm. It's as if the weather script has been rewritten, and the evidence is etched in the numbers and trends that researchers meticulously analyze. This is not speculation. It is a fact supported by a deep understanding of why Saudi Arabia, known for its arid climate, is grappling with an unexpected surge in intense rainfall. To paint a vivid picture of what we mean by heavy rainfall, imagine the once parched earth unprepared for such downpours, soaking up rain like a thirsty sponge. The result is flash floods that take everyone by surprise. It's a climatic paradox, a scenario that defies the usual storyline of Saudi Arabia's weather. Envision the usual arid terrain transforming into a scene reminiscent of a water wonderland. This isn't the typical script for Saudi Arabia. It challenges preconceived notions. The earth, accustomed to scarcity, is suddenly overwhelmed by abundance, creating a surreal and unexpected spectacle. It's a reminder that nature can surprise us, pushing the boundaries of what we assume about the climate. Now, let's delve into the academic side of things. We are not meteorologists, but we are not shooting in the dark either. We are diving into the intricacies of Saudi Arabia's weather patterns, exploring the unexpected dynamics that contribute to these climatic roller coasters. It's not just about saying, hey, it rained a lot. We are looking at atmospheric pressures, wind patterns, and moisture content. The nitty-gritty that explains why a region known for its aridity is suddenly grappling with torrents of rain. This is not just about homes being flooded or crops being destroyed. It's about understanding the science behind the storms. By decoding this mystery, we not only unravel the immediate consequences, but also pave the way for proactive measures to mitigate future risks. So, be ready as we embark on this exploration, connecting the dots between heavy rainfall, climate dynamics, and the unexpected challenges faced by Saudi Arabia. It's a journey that goes beyond the surface, peeling back the layers of a climatic conundrum that demands both our curiosity and our collective attention. Beyond the surface, let's explore the nuanced facets of Saudi Arabia's climate narrative, moving beyond the stereotypical perception we often hold of this nation. It is frequently portrayed as hot and dry weather, but the reality is far more complex. Saudi Arabia is a diverse tapestry of environments, including lush oases, towering mountains, and coastal stretches that challenge the stereotypical perception of an arid desert. The canvas of Saudi Arabia isn't monochromatic. It's a vibrant tapestry with contrast. It's easy to generalize, but when we peel back the layers, we discover a dynamic landscape that goes beyond what meets the eye. The lush greenery, the majesty of mountains, and the allure of coastal regions redefine our understanding of this diverse nation. It's a narrative that extends beyond the common depiction, inviting us to appreciate the nuance and varied beauty that Saudi Arabia encapsulates. This goes beyond just a city facing challenges. It involves a sacred place where millions gather for spiritual journeys, seeking comfort and connection. The impact goes way beyond Mecca's borders. It touches the entire nation of Saudi Arabia. The aftermath of this surprising natural event has left us all feeling puzzled. It's not just about a city dealing with the consequences. It's about the shared experiences of a community and a whole country, prompting us to come to terms with the unexpected and its widespread effects. Mecca is more than a location. It's a beacon of faith and unity. When it faces challenges, the reverberations extend far beyond its boundaries, echoing through the collective consciousness of a nation. The threads of connection, the historical significance, and the spiritual weight of Mecca make it a place that resonates with people worldwide. Understanding the changes and challenges it faces is an invitation to delve into the broader narrative of Saudi Arabia, its rich heritage, and its evolving relationship with. As we explore the unexpected heavy rainfall in Saudi Arabia and its impact on Mecca, we must approach the topic with empathy and a genuine desire to understand the multifaceted dimensions of this climatic phenomenon. By doing so, we can contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of the challenges faced by this region and work collectively towards finding solutions and adapting to a changing climate.